Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a crashed hard drive. First, let's diagnose the problem. Begin by checking all power and data cables to ensure they are securely connected. Listen carefully for any unusual sounds, such as clicking, grinding, or buzzing, which can indicate mechanical failure. If possible, connect the drive to a different computer to rule out issues with your current system's ports or power supply. This initial assessment helps determine the next steps for recovery. Once you've assessed the situation, software solutions can often resolve logical issues. Try using reputable data recovery software to retrieve files if the drive is still recognized. Running built-in disk repair utilities, like chkdsk, can also help fix file system corruption. Before making any significant changes, it's always wise to create a complete disk image. This provides a safe backup, ensuring you don't lose more data during the repair process, especially for critical files. If software solutions don't work, you might be facing a hardware problem. For physical damage, like a clicking drive, it's best to consult a professional data recovery service. Attempting to open the drive yourself can cause irreversible damage and void warranties. Sometimes, the issue is simpler, like a faulty cable or an external enclosure. Replacing these components can sometimes bring your drive back to life without needing advanced repairs. To avoid future hard drive crashes, prevention is key. Make it a habit to regularly back up all your important data to at least 2 different locations, such as an external drive and cloud storage. Utilize SMART tools to monitor your drive's health and anticipate potential failures. Finally, ensure your computer has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, which can significantly shorten a hard drive's lifespan. These steps will help keep your data safe.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.